Well, to start off today, I got some grapes and pineapple with me, but also too, stop worrying about what other people think. Just be you, be yourself, go out there. Got that frozen nut pineapple right here. But today, I'm going over to Santa Monica, see what's up, see what's going down. Santa Monica Pier right there. Shining up here. It feels kind of weird being here since I used to work literally down below where I was an assistant manager. Feels so weird, man, being in the beach. Before I get over to the pier, I think this is the first time I've actually been to the beach after the Navy. And I don't know, man. Sweet tea here. I'm tired as fuck, but I don't want to fall asleep right now, you know. What do you like to drink at night? Let me know. Just in case you guys forgot to watch yesterday's story, it is going to be live on YouTube tomorrow, so check it out. And then for this Thursday, got a new video coming up, so check it out this Thursday. It's dropping on YouTube live. Check it out. It's going to be funny. Thank you guys for watching my story. Stay tuned for tomorrow for more. If you didn't see yesterday's story, here it is. Click it, like, comment, share to the world.